Okay, here's a question for you. You're out here cutting the grass, putting down fertilizer, and you hit a nail, screw, or even a real hard granite rock with your reel mower. What do you do? The reel mower starts to make this noise. Stop, shut it off, and I'll show you what to do. Hold on. So if you have a reel mower, and even if you don't have a reel mower, you need to get one of these. I have one at the house that's 36 inches wide, and then I have one here at the beach house that's 24 because of the remodel project. I have picked up literally thousands and thousands of nails and screws from this project. A lot of them are roofing, and they're in the gravel. Magnetic roller. It's cheap. They run, I'll put a link to these below. Oh, heard something. There we go. Look at that. That was not planned. I just know I'm going to find nails out here. So, get one of these. The reason being is, how many times have you lost a screw off a reel mower or a piece of equipment and you're like, dude, I know I got to go cut this grass and I'm going to hit this thing. If you get a 36-inch wide one, you can do your whole lawn pretty quick. It's a great way to find pieces. But we just had this fence installed, and these guys are really good about not leaving nails, and I only found 4 nails, but I missed one. So here is the picket fence, and I'm doing a video on this to show you guys how you can do this one pretty easily yourself. And I just cut the grass. As you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. This grass is Zoysia from seed, and it's 4.5 months old. Look at that. Look how dense that is. Is that crazy or what? So I just came out and put green shocker down after I cut. First thing I did was I cut this. I just cut it with a reel mower. Then I came out and put another coat of green shocker. I'm putting green shocker every week right now. But you can see the fence over there. It looks great. But I came over here and I hit a nail. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to stop and you're going to inspect your blades and look for a chunk. You'll usually see a chunk. And if you don't see that, then you're going to go up underneath and you're going to look at your bed knife. And there will definitely be somewhere in here just a little sort of chip or groove. And what's happening, I'm going to go backwards here, and what's happening are these blades are actually tick, 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 and it's sort of ticking down there. So the first thing you do, if you have a McLean, if you don't have a reel mower that you can backlap yourself, I don't know what you're going to do. Undo your chain, don't do anything. I don't even loosen these up. All I do is I put backlapping compound on and I start backlapping, and I backlap and I backlap and I backlap and I grind that little chip down, and now that little noise is all gone. So that little burr that was, we'll call it a burr, the burr is now gone off of there. Alright, I just finished cutting. It's much better. I fixed the nail issue. So now I'm going to put down green shocker. So now I've got the fence fully installed, and here's one of the issues I've got. My sprinkler heads are sitting about, my sprinkler heads are sitting about here. They're away from the fence, so I need to move, all these sprinkler heads back up here so that it's actually covering, because right now I'm missing an area. So now I got to move all my sprinkler heads. But man, that grass looks good, doesn't it? That just looks amazing right there. So anyways, if you end up having, hello bees, butterflies, if you end up having this issue where you tick and get a burr on your blade, stop what you're doing, do a nice firm back lap. That usually will solve this problem. So anyways, I got to move those sprinkler heads. I'm putting green shocker down every week right now. I'm going to do the picket fence video for you guys. We still have to, we're going to stain it a solid white. We're going to be staining it, not painting it. A bunch of different stuff for you. So hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Dot.